days. So I said, why today? क्यों बच्चे ने नहीं दिखाना? That is the thing. मैं आज स्कूल में इंजीनियर बनना है, हाँ बाहर भेज दी हूँ। मैं दिल्ली पढ़ाना चाहना नहीं, साउथ भेज दी। And she got admission on a government seat in Karnataka, one of the best colleges over there, on a government seat with a government rate, nothing, no extra fees. So many miracles happened. My mother-in-law, my wife's mother, she was having a severe pain abdomen. I was down somewhere in Bangalore. My wife phoned me, they took her to a small nursing home in Gurgaon, diagnosed acute pancreatitis. Stage 3D, got CT scan done, all organs thickened, everything. So they told her, look, it's a very bad prognosis, you can shift her to anywhere you want. So she phoned me, अब क्या करें? मैं कहा मेरे सिलेबस तो बाहर है, Thursday तो गुरुजी को चली जाए. She came to Guruji, started howling कि मेरी माँ को ये हो रहा है, मैं जा कुछ नहीं. And she said, what the hell? I mean, मेरी हमारा खून पानी ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? His mother was sick, you did this, and my mother is sick, you're not doing this, but I'm not going to accept it. So she had a photograph in her pocket, we looked at ऐसे चलता. Pancreatic knife from 2,800, we're back to 300, 400 in the next 2 or 3 days. We couldn't find a cause for the whole thing. They said, let's repeat an ultrasound. One small calculus they found sitting at the opening. Just got it out and everything just settled down. You know, you go through the miracles, it's really fantastic. My nephew was admitted in Bareilly. Every day he used to howl, I want to come back, I'm sick of life, if you don't take me, I'll do this to myself. I came to Guruji, मैं गुरुजी रोज होता है, तब ठीक है बुला लो वापस. मैं कहा बुलाऊं कैसे, आपने तो कहा था भेज दो, आप पहले कहा भेज दो, आप कहते बुला लो वापस, ऐसा थोड़ा होता है काम. अच्छा थर्सडे आएंगे तो आई वेंट ऑन थर्सडे. अच्छा कल आएंगे फिर तो कल आ गया मैं. उसका रोज मेरे को फोन आया, मामू कम एंड पिक मी अप, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे ओवर हियर. आई वाज आल्सो गेटिंग फ्रैंटिक. मैं फ्राइडे फिर गया, अगले हफ्ते फिर थर्सडे पहुंच गया. अच्छा कल दसांगा तेनू. फ्राइडे इवनिंग आई वेंट, ही सेड ठीक है जा, कुछ नहीं सब ठीक है. दैट बॉय नेवर फोन्ड अप आफ्टर दैट कि आई एम सिक ऑफ लाइफ. ही गोज बैक हैप्पी. आउट ऑफ ए क्लास ऑफ 60 स्टूडेंट्स, 35 failed in his first semester. That they passed. A dud over here, he passed with 68% marks. I really do not know how. But his blessings are there. And you ask anybody who come to this Sangha, it's not me who's talking. Everybody has so many episodes to tell. And after having grilled the scientific basis into everybody, there is no explanation because probably he is on a different plane, totally on thoughtless plane, which none of us can even think of approaching. And that's how things work. I so many times I tell Guruji, इतना एक कॉमन इंस्टीट्यूट, Guruji Institute of Medical Education Research, suppose you have known the GJ Institute of MER करके have that over there. Why go to कोई साउथ में किसी टेम्पल में, कोई वेस्ट में कहीं टेम्पल में जा रहा है, अमरनाथ में जा रहा है. तो मैं उज्जैन गया, महाकाल over there, he was there, he was sitting over there. He is there everywhere, and you know that he is there. You have his